So we're now entering the Skyway, guys. So orasan natin. So that's Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3 on the left side.
In 300 meters, continue straight.
Building po yan ng SM Group of Companies. And we're now approaching at the left side also the SM Mall of Asia Arena. That's the SM Mall of Asia Arena, guys, on our left side. Approaching the SM Mall of Asia Globe. The iconic globe here, guys. What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnado Vlog. And for today's video, we're going to SM Mall of Asia and we will have a road. So before anything else guys, kung bago kayo na pa sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnado Vlog. Here guys at Nichols Bridge.
Video mo tito para papuntang Pansula.
Ganun pa rin yan. Dito pa rin yung daan.
Ang dating daan.
Pero dito tayo manggagaling pag naka-face ka sa EDSA to dito.
Basta ikutan. So we're now approaching guys the Terminal 3.
Lahat nakaitim eh. Hindi na ibibigay ko yun.
Stay to the left T6 NAIAX entry. Andrews Ramp to
So
Terminal
on our
1
right
and 2.
side this is the Newport World Resort. And our left side is the Terminal 3. NAIA Terminal 3.
Oo, dili kita nag-ano.
So we're now entering the Skyway guys. So orasan natin. So that's the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3 on the left side. And we're going into the toll gate. So 45 guys is the charge.
In 2.6 kilometers,
Hindi na
continue
pinapakita
straight
yung
on E6 NAIAX West.
So we're here again guys at the Skyway and the maximum speed limit is 60 km per hour.
Para siyang ano.
It's not fine weather for today guys, it's cloudy.
Hospital. Or on. Para siyang ano, airplane. Saan to? Mall of Asia. Search mo my Cosmic.
So it's not fine talaga guys. Hindi maganda ang ating reception ng video for today. umaraw na siya.
In 300 meters, use the left 2 lanes to continue straight.
So we're still guys at the Skyway going to MOA, SM Mall of Asia.
Continue straight on E6 NAIAX West.
We are using a Waze
In
guys.
700 meters, use the left 2 lanes to continue straight on E6 NAIAX West Macapagal, enter Tianan City. In 300 meters, continue straight, then stay to the left.
Okay, na tayo pumasok.
Continue straight on E6 NAI.
Para maunahan natin. Mas palayo na.
Use any lane to stay to the left to
So straight
E6
na tayo,
Diosdado
guys.
Macapagal North exit.
Kasi cover na pala yung Okada rito. Nakobera na itong building na to. Hotel din.
So pababa na tayo guys at and time natin is 8 minutes lang tayo guys from simula tayo kanina sa Terminal 3 hanggang dito guys. So naka 8 minutes tayo. Ang bilis ng biyahe.
In 700 meters, stay to the right to Jose W. Diaz.
So ayan guys, nakikita na natin yung Okada.
Meters.
And we're now approaching guys the Okada, Manila. So ayan o, ang ganda guys o. That's the Okada.
Was malapit siya sa ano, yung playhouse na yun sa seaside. Hindi.
Ayun guys, Solaire.
Malapit siya sa seaside.
We're now crossing Solaire.
Kaya,
Nakalagay ano, Ocean Drive.
And guys, we're now approaching the Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, dito sa Paranaque. That's the Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, guys.
Meron din dito playhouse. Ayan.
yan yung mga yung kanikuan
Yung playhouse
In
playhouse.
700 meters,
Kita mo?
turn left
Right,
on
ako na.
Coral Way West.
So, ang ganda ng road dito, guys.
Joke na to.
So, nasa Jokno Road kami, guys. Going to SM Mall of Asia.
In 300 meters,
Kasi lock ng mata ko.
So, in our left side, guys, is the MAAX. Building po yan ng SM Group of
Sa mga
Companies.
nagla-live, meron din mga tayo ng mata.
And we're now approaching at the left side also the SM Mall of Asia Arena.
left on Coral Way
May
West.
grado kasi to.
That's the SM Mall of Asia Arena, guys, on our left side.
Ano, yung
Straight na tayo, guys, going to
300 meters,
SM Mall of Asia.
so binoot 75.
Okay lang tayo sa pwesto natin to.
Pero Pero meron naman mga contact sa mga number.
So ngayon guys, we're now approaching the SM Mall of Asia Globe. The iconic globe here, guys.
Kita ba? Hindi naman na-video yung na-video mo ba?
Kanina.
Pag-ikot ko, i-video mo ulit.
Turn right on Jose W.
Kaya pagka wala masyadong jeep, ayan o.
In 300 meters, turn right on Jose W.
Airplane. Tawag ko na airplane. Airplane. Airplane.
Inagtatatinda na.
Ano na mama?
And manate.
Ashore Avenue.
Yeah. 1 hour lang sa play.
My
30
bed?
minutes lang.
My bed?
No U-turn. No left turn.
Anong oras na ba?
Straight lang kami guys.
Turn left on Ashore Avenue.
Parang sa may
Turn
patay
right
na.
on Jose
So ang ganda guys oh.
Parang buffet.
Nga na ano,
Magamit kaya ng hagdan na yun.
ano,
Oh, ang ganda ng hagdanan nila oh.
Ang gugay.
baka pag ano, nagugutom ako.
Anong building yan? Hindi pa namin nababasa guys. So located yan siya guys dito sa Bayshore Avenue. So hindi kami pwede mag left turn doon kanina kaya dumiretso kami dito. At saka actually dito talaga dumadaan yung mga jeep.
Turn left on Jose W.
Ang ganda ng hagdanan talaga oh.
Then turn right on
Okay guys.
Coast Avenue.
The good guys is MDC.
Turn left. Then turn right on Coast Avenue.
So on our left side guys is the Prism Plaza.
Turn left on Harbor Drive.
Amazon yung nasa right side guys. Against the light.
In 300 meters.
Alam mo na.
Ito Ecom din doon. One Ecom Center on our left side guys, and at yung oval na yan guys is the Galleon located at the SM Mall of Asia. Kapag may event na mga big event nandyan guys. So, ayan guys, andito na kami sa SM Mall of Asia and almost 40 minutes from Port Bonifacio going to MOA. So that's our road trip for today's video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin.
5:30.